Hello guys, welcome to Indian Fact YouTube channel. In this video you can see facts about space. First fact, moon dust is said to smell like spent gunpowder. Second fact, on Pluto the sun rises and sets about once a week. Third fact, sunlight is almost 2000 times dimmer on Pluto than it is on Earth, and sun would be only a small point in the sky. The sun would be 1 by 30 as a big and 1 by 900 as bright as it on the Earth. Thought it would still be much better than the moon, full moon. Fourth fact, because the moon has no atmosphere, its temperature ranges from less than 2 degree Fahrenheit to more than 200 degree Fahrenheit. Fifth fact, the biggest star in our known universe is located in the constellation Cygnus, the Swan. It is the hypergiant that is almost million times as big as the sun. Sixth fact, the dark side or far side of the moon is actually not always dark. It reflects light and are softer than the near side. Once per lunar day during the new moon place when the earth facing side is completely dark. Seventh fact, Mars has the largest and the most violent dust storms in our entire solar system. These storms often have wind stopping 125 mph, can last for weeks and can cover the entire planet. They usually occur when Mars is closer to the Sun. Eighth fact, when Pluto was considered a planet, it was the coldest of all the planets. Temperature on Pluto can range from minus 240 degrees Celsius to minus 280 degrees Celsius. The average temperature on Pluto is minus 299 degrees Celsius. The hottest scored temperature of Earth was 70.7 degrees Celsius in the desert in Iran, the cold. Ninth fact, there are 8,000 small earthquakes measuring less than 2 on the Richter scale. Each day they are too small for people to even feel them. Tenth fact, on tenth of the Earth surface is permanently under ice and 90% of that ice is found in America. 11th fact, Earth unique mix of land and ocean makes that Earth relatively stable by cycling carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide cycling moderates temperature swings that won't otherwise occur. 12th fact, the sun contains 99.85 degree of the mass in the solar system. 13th fact, based on the average of lives of G2 star, the present age of sun is estimated to be 4.56 billion years, half away through its lifetime. 13th fact, Earth is made up of hydrogen gas, stardust and gravity. The gas and dust floating in space were drawn together by gravity and they formed into a spinning disk. As a disk collided with the absorbed rock bodies, the Earth formed. Astronomers believe the formation of Earth. 14th fact, Mars crust is thicker than Earth and is made up of one piece, unlikely the Earth crust which consists of several moving plates. 16th fact, the first person to look into space with telescope was Galileo nearly 400 years ago. 16th fact, only 3% of water on earth is fresh water and the other 97% is salt water in the seas. 17th fact, the average temperature on Venus surface is about 870 degree Fahrenheit, making it the hottest planet in the solar system and hotter than moon's ovens. 17th fact, Earth unique mix of land and ocean makes the Earth relatively stable by cycling carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide cycling modest temperature swings that would otherwise occur. 18th fact, at its farthest point from the Sun, Saturn is the approximately 940 million miles, 1.51 billion kilometers away. When it is the closest to perihelion, Saturn is about 840 million miles. This means 1.35 billion kilometers from the Sun. On average, Saturn is about 891 million miles, 1.4 billion. 19th fact, Earth is made up of hydrogen gas, stardust, and gravity. The gas and dust floating in space were drawn together by gravity and they formed into a spinning disk. As this disk collided with and absorbed rock bodies, the Earth formed. Astronomers believe the formation of Earth. 20th fact, the biggest star in our known universe is located in the constellation Cygnus. The Swan is the hypergiant that is almost a million times as biggest as a sun. 21 fact. Sunlight is almost 2000 times dimmer on Pluto, that is on the Earth, and the sun would be only a small point in the sky. The sun would be 1 by 30 as a big and 1 by 900 as bright as it on Earth. Thought it would still be much brighter than the full moon. 22 fact. The lava molten rock with the erupts of foot of volcano can be hot as 1002 degrees Celsius, 200 2000 degree Fahrenheit, and the power of large eruption can equal than a million nuclear bombs. 23rd fact. NASA eventually considered that some astronauts might have survived for up to 2 minutes after the initial 1986 Challenger explosion. While they might have survived the initial fireball, they would not have survived the plunge into the Atlantic Ocean at 200 mpgh. 24th fact. The sun rotates on its axis once every 25.38 Earth days or 609 12.12 hours. 25th fact. Driving a car to the moon would take 130 days. A rocket would take 13 hours. Traveling by a speed of light would take only 1.52 seconds. Thank you. If you are new, please do share and subscribe. Thank